You there? Hello?
Yeah, that is.
There.
It's you. You have to take us in.
Yeah, I don't know.
Are they hooked up too?
Are you there?
Oh, Rod's
Yeah,
not?
I'm here, but they're not connected to us.
Okay.
Oh, they're not?
No.
We got some new folks with us.
Silently listening.
Rod. All right, we got some new folks with us. Guest riders, Rod and Leanna, right? Right.
Leanne.
Leanne, yeah.
Leanne, okay, Rod and Leanne from Kansas.
Oh, no.
Woohoo! Okay, let's get this.
Going down the big road?
Yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, I still have a hand warmer in my glove.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
So who's going to lead out of here? In what order do you want to go today?
You just go up to the 23 and hammer down.
Just go. I'll stay at the back.
I'll be in the middle because I'm filming.
Put them in. Let them go behind you.
My four-wheel drive thing looks weird. Never noticed that.
KC's
he's already back. He's still back there.
He's still back there, shouting around.
I got you. I'm good.
Man, they got another big old dog around here. He's huge. A lot of big dogs this weekend.
Woof.
One, two, three.
Is that what you said?
I said calls.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
You know, like where you go to the 420. Go past that.
Oh,
Actually,
yeah.
to the Fly Gap Road.
Correct.
Right?
Yep.
Okay.
Right down to the bottom of the hill, yeah. There we go. We got to get our guest on.
Are we ready?
Film. We are, yeah, we're all here.
I'm ready.
What do we say? Crack it.
Not when it's this chilly.
Yeah. They got a little windshield on that thing. It probably helps.
No, I'm sure it does.
Yeah.
There's a truck coming.
Truck coming.
Watch your truck.
Copy.
Running about 50.
Trail right there.
Looks like it.
Yeah.
I think that's just a loop. Yeah, head on.
How far are we going, or?
Well, you've done this, haven't you, or not?
I came in. We came in the other way when we stayed down.
Oh.
You've been on it before.
All right, watch your language. I'm filming, so.
Oh. Sorry.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
There's probably a good chance we had to saw a tree out of the way, too.
Yeah.
Although I don't think we're the first one down here this year.
No.
There's been people coming down here all spring, probably. Yeah. Yeah, this is cool right between these trees.
Yeah, it's pretty.
But it looks like actual driveway gravel, so it's like this trail was made.
Roll the rock.
Oh.
He likes to catch rocks.
Yeah, this is a rocky little spot here. Rocky. Pretty soon it'll be a bit of an angle. That's from my Canadian friend, fellers.
Oh, look at that water just flowing.
I know. That's cool.
It's pretty.
Little ledge here. Oh, God damn.
Yeah, be careful on this ledge, Mama.
That sucked.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. I'm gonna take a break.
Good thing they got, yeah.
I'm just getting to the top.
I think she got off, because that could get you right there.
Yeah, that got me.
Yeah, it did?
Yeah. I think I just went too slow.
Yeah, you're sliding.
I know, hell, I'm gonna mess up here.
No. No.
Oh. What did you do, Jeff?
I turned it over.
I'm not doing that.
Well,
Is it on film?
I told you
Yeah.
yes.
I'm sitting there laughing.
I gotta put my brake on. I told you were sliding your back rear.
Well, I know I had it over there, and I figured I'd just finish it. And then good thing I jumped off down here. Ready? Scratched it.
Pop right back out.
New scratches though. I know I had it like this way. When I come off, I started going that way and then just fell right over.
That's what I was telling you. I go, your rear end sliding over, you're slipping. You got that one, yeah.
Huh?
Never mind.
I'm gonna have to help you. That way you don't turn it over too.
Well, I'll let you just do mine. I'm not even going to be on mine.
Why?
Well, because if I start, I'm more weight on it whenever I'm turning over.
I know, it was right down in here.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the first time you've ever done something like that.
I know I should have backed up and not done it. You know, and got a better angle at it.
Yeah.
No, you're doing better. Yeah. That's a better line. You were over here earlier.
I know it.
You did the better line.
Now I got to get this little waterfall on film.
You want me to walk over there?
Huh?
I guess I'll walk through the water. Okay. you should have left my quad there. I guess I'll ride yours over then.
Okay, try it out. Is this the waterfall you guys have been to before?
This doesn't look familiar to me. We must have went a different way or something.
So there's another waterfall that they call the 60-foot falls.
Yeah.
I don't even know where that's at.
Really? It's like one, dude. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I'll get a picture of it. Yeah, I don't know if
I should have got a picture on the other side, the bottom of it.
I don't like how high yours sits up.
That pool down there will be pretty deep today. These creeks might be deeper when we get down in there. Yeah, I think there's only one way up out of here.
Yeah, I cover. Alright.
Okay.
I hear her.
Low time. Shit. Be careful. Yeah, that marker right up there. Oh yeah, right up the middle.
You good?
Here's another deal. Don't follow me. I don't know what they're gonna do. They better assess
Oh, they made
the
it.
situation down there.
Yeah.
I thought going to the right or going to the left would be better, but I mean, I made it look too easy.
right through here.
All right. Watch out. Oh, wait. Watch them. What are they doing?
Yeah, I don't know what they're
All right,
gonna do.
come on up through here, Mama.
I'm gonna wait for you.
And I think the metal was the way to go.
Oh yeah, like boom.
Yeah,
That's I hate.
Come on up.
Yeah, we just pop up through shit.
Go slow. Go slow. He said they went right up through it, so I don't think it's a big deal.
Well, the other one, the second one, was I think worse.
You think
The
so?
second part of it, yeah.
Let me go over there.
Are they making it or does he know?
He's hung up right there.
Yeah.
This is the easiest one, I think. It is, yeah. Even though it's... You just got to get a little run at it, I believe. Ready? Kind of get rolling. Okay, go.
Got a phone call, Mark. Did you make it? You made it?
Yeah, he got
Okay.
it.
All right.
Come on up and get a little closer.
Hang on.
All right, hang on a minute. That's a bad one. But I'm just saying, it's kind of goofy.
What does what mean? Need a bigger bag.
All right, backing too high.
Got everybody? Eric?
Yep.
Yep.
I believe.
Tape them, and we'll hang out the back.
All right, you go on, Mama. I'll tape you. Haven't filmed you yet.
Gonna go,
I'm not
Mark?
on right now.
Huh?
No, I'm not turned on this minute.
Eric, about done with this watch.
Got his jewelry on.
Oh, yeah, this is pretty.
Rushing water.
Little campfire area.
Mm-hmm.
New depth finder. All right.
Oh, this is not deep.
No.
It's nice, though.
Sure is. Pretty.
I didn't even have to raise my feet up.
Okay, we're at a standstill.
So I think we need to go left here.
You think it's left? Earlier he said right, I thought. But maybe he knows.
The falls is that way? Really? How far is it?
Not very far.
Okay, let's go up and check it out. Because we're going to go that way to go out, but since we're here, let's go.
Okay.
Yeah. Sounds good. I don't think we've ever seen this falls, have we? You ever remember it, Eric?
I don't remember.
Look where we're at. We're at 100.
This,
It blurs.
yeah.
It's hard to...
So are you telling me you think they're leading us to a fall that we've never witnessed yet? We've never seen?
Yeah, correct. I would tell you what, we probably get up here and see it and like, oh yeah, I've been here 10 times. It'll probably happen, but I don't know.
Came in a different way.
Yeah. I think we've been here before, Eric.
Yeah.
On the sport bikes. Here it is, folks.
Are you taping it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where are you guys at?
We're back
Alright.
down at the bottom.
All right, I'm going to film it.
You gonna disconnect?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I see it from here, yeah.
Oh, isn't that cool?
Yeah.
This is the falls everybody talks about down here.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'll go stand in behind it.
Well, there was one where we were baptized in. Where was that at? When we stood underneath and put our arms up? Where were we at when you were standing there raising your hands?
Isn't that cool, guys? This is not too slick.
You got the camera? You want to take a picture of it? Nope. All right, I'm gonna take my helmet off. I'll go to the bathroom too.
Isn't that cool, guys? All right. We'll head on. Okay.
Are you?
Yeah.
Got everybody?
Yep.
There's your Jeeps right there.
Oh,
Yep,
my.
speak of the Jeeps.
I told you I was
Speak of it.
tracking somebody.
All right, you putting in 4 like I was earlier.
Hell yeah, I do. Get in trouble.
Oh, yeah, that's some little Jeeps. But it is Jeeps, no doubt, yeah.
They're Toyotas.
Oh, that's Toyota Jeeps style. Get down here close to Mama. I want to stay close.
On my donkey.
Whoa, whoa.
I don't think I like that term.
You don't like the donkey?
I don't like the donkey.
Okay.
I think that's kind of irritating.
We've been using it. Okay. Eric don't like it.
We need feedback.
The first time I used that was in Kentucky. Uh-oh, we got another creek crossing. This is
Yeah.
where you go right here, son.
Oh, right here.
All right, let's see what we got here.
That ain't nothing.
No. Not as deep as that other one.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
It just looked, you couldn't see the bottom, I guess. Got all freaked out about nothing.
I really don't always want to be on, like, right on you when we're doing stuff like that, because what if you get stuck and then I'm back behind you stuck?
Okay. No, I'm leading.
How'd that happen?
This is where those mud puddles are at. I'm gonna try to work my way through here.
Oh, yeah,
Shoot.
don't come this way. Go ahead. I can't get through. I gotta back up. He's got the Candace.
Yeah, this is a trail right over here, Chris.
See, I try to make that turn like they're doing, but they have to back up, and I didn't back up.
Oh,
And I should have backed up, and
I'm gonna let somebody go ahead, so I don't want to film that.
yeah.
You're stuck on a tree.
Oh, 2 of them. In between them, wedged.
You're stuck.
Better go back there and film him. No, he's getting out.
I don't think so. How the hell did I do that?
Or do you want them?
Go up.
Yeah.
That way you can film them.
I know. Yeah, let them know.
Too. Alright.
We'll let you go.
Yeah, we've already been through here that one night.
Oh, there goes Grizzly. All right, let's go. Should we put them in front of us so we can get them, or?
Yeah.
You want to come on up? Yeah, they're coming. Okay. Herm likes the back.
Alright.
Is this the end of the mud holes? Is that where I'm going?
Yeah, there isn't any more mud holes.
I mean, up here.
No,
This the-
there's no more mud
Oh.
holes. There's
I
just
mean-
this old rocky hill climb.
Yeah, but you know where you know what I'm talking about, when we come through the gates and all that, back through that way.
I I can't remember.
I'll find out. That's why I always call them up.
You going over to the
Remember
left here?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, looks like it's lunchtime. Everybody's off.
Okay.
Lunchtime?